Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Yamuna. My son is in RN Podar. His name is Suryavardhan.
Which standard he's in?
He's in 8th standard.
Ma'am, so how you find Ken?
He didn't ask me only. He felt it is attractive. He gave his name and he started playing in the mobile first. Then I forced him to do it in the book. Just 2 days he did, but he was comfortable with the software only.
So he started doing an app itself, right?
Yeah.
What sizes of Ken they go up to?
6 by 6.
And the book which we have provided to them, has he gone through that particular thing?
Because of me. Since I forced him, he did. Otherwise, so he was comfortable with the software only.
But in the app, there is also an option of getting some hints and stuff like that. So that's why we. Yeah.
He used it, yes. He was
So-
very happy also with that.
Ma'am, we just wanted to know that you have seen Ken, right?
Yeah, he's.
Have you played yourself?
Yes. He tests us also, na? Competition, like he keeps timer for us. Who is first, he or me?
What is your best time at 5x5, ma'am?
For him, it was 3.
And what
6
is
by 6. 6 by 6 it was, he did within 3 minutes.
Wow. What about you?
Me, actually 5. 5 minutes I took.
So, while solving, do you like that puzzle?
Yes, generally we do Sudoku. Full family, all 3 sit together, and so we are enjoying. We are.
The difference between Sudoku and this thing is Sudoku is can be played with any 9 symbols,
Yeah.
right? Because the logic is you just have to not to repeat the number. Over here, we are having that mathematical operation as well. So, what is your thought about it?
Really, you have to think. The kids' level of thinking, not just like chess. 2-3 moves ahead, they say think. Na? So he loves chess, so he loves this also. It's like that.
That's great. So, I just wanted to ask that this concept, we believe it is self-learning. Okay, so there is nothing, logic cannot be taught. Okay, it is self-learned. You develop your logic and then you grow on it. What is your thought on that?
100%. Kids, you can suggest them, do this, do that. But getting the logic, only he has to.
The very idea.
He's getting it.
Yeah. The very idea we introduced Ken ma'am is because most of the time what happens, like Olympiad and stuff like that, parents want the kids to go for it. Okay, so I'm just saying, I'm also a parent, so I'm speaking not as a, so that is something where we emphasize our kid that you should go for Olympiad, you should go for any spelling bee or contest like that. We wanted this contest to be chosen by the kid. Okay, and so far we have been successful in doing that particular thing. You tell me this concept, this competition, is it your choice or your kids?
That's what I told you, na? He didn't ask me only. He immediately gave the name and came home and told, this is something like Sudoku, I'm going to give. You give me money. That's it. Done. He was very happy. Only thing I feel is this month, it should be some other month. This month, this December, January, generally all the schools have all the competitions lined out.
Because the reason is, we were also struggling a lot of the time because the examinations of schools are there. So December is the only month which we find out where all the competition can be done.
All the competitions, na, so they don't get that much of time. And this is the first time, na, so they need more practice. I think that
But
time was...
but otherwise, ma'am, in Ken, there's no syllabus to be studied upon, isn't it?
You need practice, na?
Yes. The practice is there. But again, the logic is something which, I agree to your point. Okay. I wish all the best that your kid gets selected for higher round. I'm just asking, would you prefer there should be a preparatory thing where we brush up the logical reasoning of the kid, or you think they would be good to go along?
No, if they do by 2-3 years, na, they are done.
For example, this year, if he got selected for the higher round,
Not higher round also. Next year again, first level. Like, his concept is very clear. Winning, participating, that's it.
and would you recommend anyone about Ken? Do you like
He
it?
started doing that. My son started doing that. He is telling his friends to participate. But I think all the kids are not interested that much. Some kids are more towards studying, preparing. Those kids are not liking. Who loves to think and do things, not to work hard at home. Those kids, I think they are happy. I think more kids will join next year. He himself started now, na, telling all the friends, and next year I think he'll get more.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.